chocolate or is
Yeah.
the not milk chocolate?
Okay. All right, we ready?
Yeah.
I teach the upper level culinary classes. I teach Baking and Pastry 1, Culinary Arts 1, and then Culinary Applications. Culinary Applications is our capstone class. It's the class that they're taking all the skills that they've learned from all of the other classes and putting that into practical use, the professional learning experiences. And so they're acting like a catering business. People are ordering product from us and they're preparing it. They're going through all the invoicing and the costing with it and delivery with that most of the time.
I only need about a half to 3/4 of one food.
So today they are preparing for the ProStart competition. It's going to be at the state level in March. And they were practicing for the culinary competition, which is a 60-minute competition. And they have to produce an appetizer, entree, and dessert. And there's specific requirements with each one of those items. They get graded a competition from everything from their teamwork to their communication, their knife skills, their sanitation.
We do a lot of prep work, getting our utilities and equipment together, and then having to pre-measure everything out. Not only that, we have to work on like the costing aspect of everything too. We have to cost down all of our recipes and everything and make sure everything's just perfect for competition.
My other group is also working with ProStart. They've done an FCCLA project that they created a food truck for, and they went through the business plan and researching different food trucks. They just competed at the district level and advanced to state, so they'll be working on their project to improve for that. And now they're tweaking it for ProStart, and so they are developing a concept, and they have to do everything from the interior and design to the layout of their facility. They also do costing, and so today Cassandra's mom came in. She was awesome and came in and worked with those girls on making their authentic Mexican food. They look awesome. When I first got hired on and first started teaching, we just called them Foods 1, 2, and 3. We taught them how to make the items, but it was just more of just kind of how you would do it at home. Now everything has switched at the state level to industry standard, and so we base everything on what they do in industry. So it's a relatively seamless transition for them to go from class to work because they're seeing the same sanitation, they're seeing all the exact same things. Is your shirt underneath not colored yet? Well, say these you don't want to get too off late. That one needs to go longer though.
You get to work with other students and also your friends, and you get to make food of large quantities for other people, so you get to practice things like personal hygiene and just, making a lot of food for other people.
They're learning skills that are going to help them for the rest of their lives. They just have so many career paths with it, but also just that part-time piece to support themselves, whether they're going through school for something else or while they're in high school. And they're learning how those skills to just, prepare food safely for their families for the rest of their lives as well. All right, 205 over. Good job with an alternate in place.